Today's video is all about changing this upper mirror. I've already tilted it all the way down. I've seen on YouTube where somebody else has actually tore the whole thing apart, which didn't make any sense, and they were hanging off the truck to do it. Why not just get a step ladder, put something like rags in between the door and the step ladder so it doesn't scratch the paint, and climb up the step ladder? It makes it a whole lot easier. And then, like I said, they went ahead and tore this whole assembly apart to change this. People, when they manufacture these aerodynamic mirrors, they knew that these were going to break. So they made it fairly simple, whatever style you have, whether it's this style or a style that you actually turn a ring to get them off. But people, it's this easy. Take it off, pull the wires off the back. That might be the most difficult part, getting wires off. And then take your new one and plug it back in. And it really don't matter which wire goes on where, because all it's doing is making a completing the circuit. So you plug your wires back on, make sure the wires are behind the motor. Now if you're trying to do something in here, like change the motor or something, you might have to take this assembly apart because the screws come in from the other side. But to change the mirror, you don't have to do all that. Just like I said, this one here is designed where you just go ahead and you push in a little bit and push up, and it comes off. You put it back in the slots, and there it is, locked in, as long as it's down nice and tight. All right, well, I want to thank everybody for coming back to watch this real quick video. And go ahead and hit those buttons, that subscribe and bell button and all that. And everybody that's coming back to return, thank you, because we have been actually growing the channel where it is now searchable on Google and on YouTube and things like that, so people can see this stuff and make it easy on themselves, save them the pile of money. Because I got this mirror online for probably 20% of what International wants, because this is the International ProStar 2016. So if you can wait and get your parts online, do it. It's cheaper 9 times out of 10. I've seen a couple times where it's more expensive, but you can look at the price, call the dealership or call your local parts store, see what their prices are compared to what you find on the internet. So go for that and see if you can save yourself a pile of money. All right, well, I appreciate y'all watching everything, and everybody have a better day. Thank you.